The first train just crossed over the stormwater diversion channel. I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with that and other FM Area Diversion construction highlights. Each month, we're seeing more of the 19 road and railroad crossings over the channel open to traffic, but this week saw the first rail bridge open to train traffic. At the BNSF Hillsboro crossing, crews installed the rail and ballast this month, and the first train crossed over it on Wednesday, October 22nd. ASN Constructors also has been busy at the I-94 crossing west of the metro area. With the passing lanes open to traffic in both directions, earthwork and paving operations continue in the driving lanes and ramp connections. Crews are now removing the bypass lanes as well. The I-94 crossing is anticipated to fully open to traffic in the coming weeks. Just a little south of I-94, at the 38th Street crossing, ASN shifted traffic to the newly constructed road alignments early this month, making way for remaining utility relocation work and earthwork at the crossing's north approach. The 38th Street crossing is yet another anticipated to fully open to traffic in the coming weeks. South and west of Horace, North Dakota, piling and concrete work continues at the Sheyenne River aqueduct. This month, our drone view captures the first completed segments of the flume's elevated slab, as well as the first completed portions of the bypass conduits that flank the flume. The bypass conduits are unique features of the aqueduct's design and will be used to divert and carry Sheyenne River flows in the event maintenance activity is necessary within the aqueduct's flume. Crews have remained busy across the site driving piling, forming and placing concrete at the structure's wing walls, and installing sheet pile at the aqueduct's spillway. About 3 miles east at the Authority Administration Building, ASN Constructors completed the concrete foundations and slab on grade. They also began erecting the structural steel needed to frame the building, which will house the Metro Flood Diversion Authority in a position to monitor project operations. As we turn from the developer's work to the federal work, our tour takes us to the east end of the 22-mile-long southern embankment, which is in Minnesota. In Reach SE5, we see work progressing at the cast-in-place concrete box culvert structure where Wolverton Creek crosses the embankment. In recent weeks, the contractor installed sheet pile cutoff walls at both the upstream and downstream ends of the structure, and they're now forming and placing concrete for the box culvert's floor and walls. Over at the Red River structure, which is 90% completed, the federal contractor has been busy since permanently diverting the river in August. Ames Construction has now completed the west floodwall bridge deck and established its permanent connection to the southern embankment. Additional newly completed infrastructure on the west side of the site includes a permanent system of maintenance roads, the structure's west crane pad, the permanent electrical utility, and a system of electrical conduits and conductors which are now installed and delivering permanent power to the control building atop the structure's west pier. This month, our drone view captures the construction process itself taking advantage of the diverted river and the completed infrastructure to date as crews remove the stop logs after having successfully demonstrated water tightness and dewatering system in the structure's first bay. The project's robust design plays a notable role aiding the construction process in terms of constructability. As concrete work wraps up along the structure's east crane pad and floodwall bridge deck, the embankment work proceeds across the now abandoned portions of the Red River. The structure is expected to be fully completed in 2026. For more construction updates, follow the FM Area Diversion project on social media.